What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. We actually have a question by Hyuk Min. I'm sorry, it's not my intention to mispronounce your name. I'm sorry if I am. But his request was to test the smooth Q in a running test. So today we're going to do a little bit more than a running test. We're going to test the DJI Osmo Mobile and the smooth Q. So I'm actually locking the orientation of the smooth Q and the DJI Osmo Mobile so you get as smooth as possible. All right, let's run. Zipping up my jacket because it's starting to get a little cold in here. All right, let's keep running. Woo! That was a pretty decent run. Thank you for your question/request. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. The links to everything I use are right there in the description. Until next time, guys. Peace.